Welcome back, everybody, to my channel. It's me, Katrina Marie, and I'm here to make sure that you become the very best possible applicant before you click submit. So today I'm going to be talking to you all about, what am I talking about? No drama. Like, I don't want you guys to have any drama when it comes to applying to college, and I want this to be super stress-free, hence why I'm recording this video now in May. So at the time of this recording, whenever you catch it, the replay, whatever, it's still going to be relevant to you because I really want this topic of applying to college to become so easy, and I want it to become normalized. So many people out there are so afraid of this process, and if you're anything like most people, you don't know where to start. You feel like you're alone in this process. You ask your friends and they give you like mixed emotions and mixed feelings about this. You ask people who maybe have gone to a university and they're getting opinions and not facts. You start to feel anxious because everybody else seems to be knowing what they want to do all around you, but you feel like you still don't know what you want. You don't really have clear direction. You don't have clear goals. It's because nobody sat down and sat with you to make this process so easy and ask you the right kind of questions or giving you the right kind of guidance. And that is the system that I have. I literally know how to walk you through the process, also get clear on what you want, or at least the direction to go towards. And then I also know how to help you get to that goal. It's super easy, super straightforward. I've been doing this for nearly 20 years, and I've seen every kind of situation you can imagine with students. So I just want you all to take a deep breath and know that I got your back. So today, I really want to talk about not feeling stressed, not feeling anxious, and making this so simple, okay? I've literally been working with students all day, and one of the common things that I notice is that when I walk them through my methodology and when I walk them through my steps, the look on their face becomes so surprised. The reason why they feel surprised is because they don't realize how simple and how easy they can find the information that they need, and how simple and easy it is to make it possible for them to achieve those goals of whatever it is they want, which is typically applying to college for, a bachelor's or, a degree of some sort. So I want to remind you that I do have a course, and it is called How to Simplify the College Application Process from A to Z. It is a 30-minute course, and with that you get templates and worksheets and checklists and all of the things that I use with my students. I'll leave the link down below in the description. You can also book a one-to-one call with me. I do charge for my consultation fees, just like a doctor would, but that fee does get shaved off the top of if you work with me long-term, so that you feel supported throughout the process and that you know exactly every move, every step you need to take, because again, it's not a strategy, but it is a process. It's filled with emotions. You might feel nervous one day, you might feel excited, you might feel clear about what you want to do, then the next day you might feel like confused again. I know, I've been there, I've seen it all. And you can imagine every single one of my students, when I work with them, I know for a fact I have nothing to worry about because I got their back, and I know exactly what they need to be thinking about before they even need to think it, and know exactly what they need to be looking for before they even know what they need to be looking for. I literally walk you through the process, and it just becomes like the pathway forward. So if you feel called to make this process so drama-free, so stress-free, if you're that kind of person that likes things so easy and simple and straightforward and not feel mixed emotions and afraid anymore, then I invite you to check out some of my courses below or book that one-on-one call so that you can feel clear, confident, and know exactly how to do this process in the best possible way. Like I said, I'm here to make sure that you become the best possible applicant before you click submit. So don't forget that. I got your back, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.